Talk to me, diamond. What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about how to claim unclaimed money. The dinero, money that's just sitting there waiting on you to claim. We're going to go over in this video. I'm not just talking about chump change. Billions with a B. Billions. You probably never knew that it was billions of dollars that's just sitting in unclaimed money, waiting on somebody like you to claim. 1 in every 7 Americans have unclaimed property or money that they never claim. This might be you. Today I'm going to show you how to find out if you have unclaimed property or unclaimed cash that's just sitting there. I'm going to show you how to claim it, and I'm going to show you the procedures to go through so you can get that money in your hand. Look, I know firsthand because I was one of the ones that got a call. My mom called me and she told me, hey, you can check this site to see if you got unclaimed money. I wound up checking the site and I had over $4,000. Well, almost $4,000. Almost $4,000. It's not a scam. And yep, I'm going to show you some quick and easy steps to find out. Let's get started. Okay, Diamond. So what exactly is unclaimed money? I'm glad you asked. It's any financial asset that's kind of been forgotten about or abandoned for more than a year. When businesses, banks, or government agencies can't find you, they turn it over to the state, like forgotten bank accounts, uncashed paychecks, insurance payouts, unused gift cards, rebates, stocks, or dividends, even security deposits, and more. And guess what? It's over $100 billion in the U.S. right now in unclaimed funds. And states was returning billions just last year. In New York alone, it's over $14 billion. If you're in Cali, it's $8 billion. I'm in Texas and we have $4 billion. $4 billion. That's crazy.
If you would like to check your state to see how much in unclaimed funds your state is holding, I'm going to put the link in the description below.
Now let's find out if you have unclaimed money. Super simple and 100% free. Log on to missingmoney.com. This is the official site to see if you have unclaimed monies. Once you've logged on, enter your name, city, and state. Try using different variations like a maiden name and a business name. Bingo! If you find a match, follow the instructions to claim your money. Each state has its own website too. So if you don't see it on missingmoney.com, visit unclaimed.org and search directly. Found money with your name on it? Great news. Here's what you need to do next. Submit a claim through the website. Provide proof of identity, like a driver's license, a passport, identification card, social security card as well. And if you're claiming it for a deceased family member or relative, you might have to provide a death certificate or even a will. Processing times may vary though. Most claims are approved within weeks. Mine took a little bit longer because it was over a certain amount. It took a couple months. And yeah, we know it's a lot of scamming going on, so this is an important warning. Searching for unclaimed money is free. If you go to a site and they're asking you to pay for it, it's probably a scam. I always use official sources and sites like missingmoney.com. That's it for today. But I'm sure it's good to know that you can always have money waiting on you. And all you have to do is search for it. Follow those steps that I gave you, and you'll be in the money. If you find any unclaimed money, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to share this video and like and subscribe so you'll never miss another money saving tip. See you next time.